Respected parents and my dear 10th class students, take your notes and pen and listen. We are discussing about sets. 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 What is a set? It is a collection of objects, defined objects. It is a collection of well-defined, distinct objects. The objects of the set are called elements. A set is written in with element-wise commas and enclosed with curly brackets. Sets can be expressed in two methods. One is roster form, the other is set builder form. What is roster form? I already explained in previous classes. So once again I remind. Roster form, a set can be expressed in roster form as writing the elements with commas. So suppose you write an example. I am giving one example. A, E, I, O, U. These are the elements. A, E, I, O, U are the elements. They are enclosed in the curly bracket. We know by seeing these elements, they are vowels. This is the common property of the elements. So, we should have some common property. These five are vowels of English alphabet. See, this is roster form. This is roster form. Roster form. Second method, set builder form. We can write roster form into set builder form, set builder form into roster form. How to write set builder form? Once again I explain. See, set builder form. Set builder form. Set builder form. In this set A, the same set A, X is such that X is an element here. We write in set builder form, denoting with X, writing with X, and we are writing the property of the elements. Property of the elements. What are these elements? Vowels. So X is an element. X is an vowel. Vowels. X is an vowel of English alphabet. English alphabets. English alphabets. Like this. So enclose it bracket. This is the way of writing set builder form. In the set builder form, mainly we have to write the common property of the elements. Suppose given elements are prime numbers. So write here prime numbers. Suppose even numbers, write even numbers. Given odd numbers, write odd numbers. In roster form, elements are there. In set builder form, their property. We are expressing only their common property. That is the difference between roster form and set builder. So you have to write set builder form is given. Suppose you have to write in roster form. When roster form is given, you have to write set builder form. Important. Understood? No? Clear? No? So I already once explained. Now just remain. After this types of sets in previous class, we discussed about these types of. There are 12 types. One is empty set. It is in the name only. Empty set or null set or void set. Synonyms. So empty set means it is in by name only we can easily understand. No elements. A set have no elements. Suppose integers like less than 1, positive integers less than 1 we won't get, and odd numbers, an odd number in even number, no we can't find. In even numbers all are divisible by 2 and leave the remainder 0. In odd numbers there are no even numbers. In even numbers there are no odd numbers. So we can write that as examples. Next, singleton set. Singleton, what it is in the name only. A set contains only one element. Only one element. So you can give any example. Set A, like B only, any symbol. Only 10. The set have only 10. So it is only having one element. Singleton set. It is in the name only, but we can easily understand. Right, only 2 is an even prime. 2 is an only, all primes are odd except 2. 2 is an even prime. Here cardinal number 1. Cardinal number. Cardinal number of singleton set is 1. Cardinal number, so we can write this as n of set B is 1. Next, cardinal number means number of elements in a set. A set contains number of elements. For example, I have already explained Pandavas are there. How many are there? 5. So Pandavas are 5. Cardinal number is 5. Pandavas are there. We say 100 like that. So planets 9. Cardinal number 9. So like that. Cardinal number means number of elements. Here in the singleton set, cardinal number is 1, only one element. In the empty set, cardinal number is 0, no elements. Cardinal number of null set is 0. So you don't confuse. Next, equal sets. Equal sets means it is in the name only. By name we can easily define what are equal sets. If two sets have same elements, but words are different, letters are same. I already explained whole, okay, next flower, follow. Next diary, D-I-A-R-Y, D-A-I-R-Y. Of course, hearth, E-A-R-T-H, hearth, and heart, H-E-A-R-T. Same elements. Elements are same, but words are different. Such sets are called equal sets. We can easily identify by, you need not confuse here. Equal sets means two sets have same elements. Elements are same. And the next another set equivalent set. What is equivalent set? Equivalent set. In this, if two sets have same cardinal number of elements, means set A contains 5 elements, suppose set B also contains 5 elements. Their elements number is equal, cardinal number is equal. Suppose set A, write an example. You write A, B, C, D, E. Your cardinal number n of A is 5. A is 5. Take another set B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here number of elements are 5. Set B contains number of elements are 5. This. So equivalent means here cardinal number is same. N of A equal to N of B. N of A equal to N of B, like this. Here N stands for cardinal number. Number of elements in set A, number of elements in set B. N stands for cardinal number. We call this as cardinal number. Here elements are equal. In equal sets, elements are equal. Here cardinal number is equal. So simply we can express it symbols A equal to B. Set A equal to set B. Next, universal set. Universal set means the whole region, rectangle. We can express with rectangle. It contains all the elements. See, it is a rectangle. This region is known as universal set mu. So it may have branches. We call them subsets. Set A, set B, set C, set C, like that. This is represented by the universal set represented by a rectangle. It contains all the elements. This is called, I explained for easy understanding. Take our alpha institutions. Alpha institutions is universal system, and their branches. It has some branches. Alpha, Bachpan, academic year, and Alpha High School, Primary School, Alpha Junior College, Alpha Girls Junior College, like that. So they have branches. It contains all the elements, all covering one rectangle. All planets will cover universe. Months, there are months, January, February, they cover in year. Like that. So you think it is a universal set. And the next is subset. Subset A is a subset B, meaning is the elements of set A are also in set B. The elements of set A are also in B. Or B contains A. So we can represent with Venn diagram A small, B contains more elements. And if you have we have expressed in a rectangle. Here mu. So here B contains A or A is in B. Meaning is the elements of A are also in B. The people of Nalgonda are in Telangana state. Again, Telangana state is in India, Indian country. Again, India continent is Indian continent is in Asia. So, India is country. This is district. Nalgonda is district. The people of Nalgonda are also in Telangana state. Again, the Telangana people of Telangana state are also in the country India. We are all Indians. And again, India in Asian continent. Again, Asian continent is in the universe. World. Like these are all subsets. Telangana states. These are all subset to world. Universal set is world there. These are all branches. Subsets. Subset meaning example clearly. 1, 2, 3 you take elements. And B contains more 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. It contains more, but the elements of set A are also in B, in the set B. They put 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So it contains B contains A. Now we call A is a subset of B. Now here this is a subset A is subset B is superset. We call B is superset. Superset reverse. So these are the types of sets. Next, we learn what is next. Infinite set. Finite set meaning is finite set and infinite set. So there are some sets we can count the elements. Set A containing days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. We can count. There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, like that. We can count. Such sets are called finite set. We can count a set's elements we can count. In this we cannot count. There is no end. Example, set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, dash. We express with dots, 3 dots, etc. No end. We cannot count. So such sets are called infinite set. Finite set. We can easily understand by the name finite, infinite. Next, overlap sets. Overlap sets means if two sets have common elements. In our class, suppose take your class, 10th class, girls. Some names are repeated. You take take B. Boys, some names are repeated. Like that. In our family also, some names are repeated. We call పెద్ద చిన్న లైక్ పెద్ద శ్రేణు చిన్న శ్రేణు లైక్ సో they have two sets have common elements. Suppose example set A, set B. This see set A. Set A is take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B contains 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Now these two sets have some common elements. What are the common elements here? 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So you write here 2, 3, 4 in this 3, 2, 3, 4, and this is 0. Next 6, 7, 8. Here A set A only 1, 5. Set B 0, 6, 7, 8. So this is set A, this circle. This is set B. So we call this as joint sets or overlap sets. By name only we can easily understand they have some common elements. If they don't have common elements, this joint, this is joint set, that is this joint set. In this joint set, they have no common elements. This joint set. In this joint set, they have no common elements. They are not intersect. They are not overlap. This is set A, even numbers. Set B, odd numbers. There are no common elements. Odd numbers. There are no common elements. They are not overlap. They are not getting overlap. Separate. No common elements. Such sets are called disjoint sets. See how easily we can define by seeing the name, by reading the name. Equal sets, equivalent sets, finite set, infinite set, singleton set, subset. Subset, the elements of set A are also in the set of B, like this. And the next power set is joint is disjoint. Next power set. Power set means it contains all subsets. Today I want to explain now next power about power set. Number of subsets. Writing all subsets of a set is called power set. Number of subsets is equal to 2 power n. Number of subsets 2 power n. What is n? Number of elements in the set. Example. Set A contains 2 elements, A comma. Set B contains 3, 1, 2, 3 like this. Set C 4 elements. Write 1, 2, 3, 4. See how to write the subsets. I will explain. Next, I want to explain today how to write subsets. If a set contains 2 elements, 3 elements, 4 elements. Now I will explain. Clear now? You please go through one this types of sets. In the textbook they are not given in order. All sets are not given in one place. So I am explaining types of sets. Next now, how to write list. List all subsets of a set. About our subsets. List all subsets of the following sets. Set A contains 2 elements. Set B A, B, C. I will take 3. Otherwise take 1, 2, 3. C 4 elements. P, Q, R, S. I will take P, Q, R. See, we can take 1, 2, 3 also. 1, 2, 3, 4 also. We can change the elements for practice. Now, list all subsets of the following sets. Here number of elements are 2. So total number of subsets are 2 squared, that is 4. 2 squared, that is 4. Here number of elements are 3. 2 cube, that is 8. Here number of elements are 4. 2 power 4, that is 16. How to write 16 subsets I will show one by one. Here every set is a subset to itself, and empty set also subset to every set. There are these 2 common for all sets. Empty set, subset set. Empty set, and the set itself. The set itself are subsets. To the set, to the given set. Just like the factors, one is a common factor to all numbers, and the number also factor. 6 suppose, one is a factor, and the number 6 also a factor to the 6. Like here empty set and the set itself. Set A is subset to A. Null set is subset to B. Null set is subset to B. The set B is subset to B. Null set is subset to C. And C is also subset to C. These are common for all sets. These 2 sets are common. So now I will write you starting. First I will write null set. Null set is a subset of A, set A. Whatever the letters here given, you write them. Second one, set A element set A is subset of A. Second time take B. B is a subset of set A. Alright. A. So these are the next fourth. The set itself is a set, is subset to P. B is a subset of P. So this is the way of writing subsets. They will ask like this. A list of all subsets. So it contains two elements. So we get 4. So we are getting 4. Like this. No. Clear? Understood? No? Very easy. Null set, the set itself. These are common for all sets. For all. So next B. Number 1. 8 we have met 8. First null set is a subset to B. And second, 1 element 1. B element 2. It is B. 4, 3. Element 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next two elements. 1, comma 2. B. 6, 1, comma 3. So and after 1, we start with 2. 7, 2, 3. 2, comma. Two elements. First 1 element, null set, 1 element, 2 elements. If there are 3 elements, like that. And subset to B. And the 8, the set B is subset to B. So here null set and the empty group, the set itself are subsets. So there are 8. 3 elements, 2 cube 8. Next this one. Don't confuse. First null set. One single elements set. Next two set. Two elements. Next three elements. Like that we have to proceed. These are subsets. This is complete set. Next is like this. Start C. Number 1. Null set first. Null set is a subset C. Number 2. P is a subset C. Start next. C. Subset C. Subset C. This is 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. single one element. PQR for two elements. P comma Q. Next P comma R. So with P. Next Q. QR, and we can also write PS also. S is also there. P comma S. P comma S. Next, start with Q. Q R. 7, 8. QS. QS. The subset to C. Subset to C. Subset to C. And 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13th, 14th, 8, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 16 only, up to 16. Oh. Set C, subset C, subset C, subset C, subset C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, after Q, write R. R is okay. First, single one element. P, Q, R, S. I didn't write here S. I forgot it. We have to cover here S also. We missed it. S also. S is a subset. S is a subset to C. C. S is a subset to C. First one was P, Q, R, S. Next, this is 6, 5. S, this is 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh. Once again I explain. First start with the empty set. Every set we have to start with the empty set. And last is C subset C. Last. C subset C. Next one more element. P, Q, R, S. 4. Next two elements. P, Q, P, Q, P, R, P, S, P, S. Next Q, R, Q, S, Q, R, Q, S. After that, R, S. Okay. Two elements are over. Now three elements. First one PQR. PQR is a subset to C. Next, PRS. PRS. Oh, PRS. Oh, with P over PQR, PQS, 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 and PRS. PRS, like this. They are not repeating. See, PRS, or with P. Now next Q. QRS. QRS. See, totally 16 subsets. 2 power 4. And there are no other subsets. Complete this. 16 2 power 4. First one empty set, last one the set itself. So this is the way of writing subsets. List all subsets they will ask under 2 marks. List all subsets of the following set, and they will give one set. They will take the elements. I am giving one. I am taking a 1 2 3. They may ask PQR or ABC, anything. But this is the way. Don't forget, start with pi first. And second, 1 element. Next, 3 elements. Last, the set list. Conclude with the set list. So this is the way of writing subsets. Notebook. Understood? No? First, start with one set. Next, one element set. And next, two elements. Cover all. Two elements. Next, three elements. PQR, PQS. Next, PRS also. Like, cover all elements, three elements. Don't repeat. And simply writing A is not a subset. C A. This is wrong. This is element A. This is not a set. How to make it a set? It should enclose bracket. Then it is a set. A set containing A element. A as an element. Simply writing A is a subset of A is not set subset. This is wrong. This is correct. Writing enclosing with the bracket only, it is true. This is false. What is the difference here and here? This is a set containing element A. This is only element. It is not a set. It is only element. So, I have to include brackets. Then only it is called a set. Don't forget writing the brackets. Again, please practice changing the elements. Thank you.